Being an immigrant, it's really hard to believe that you can create a career out of anything. Becoming a gardener was out of necessity more than I love it. I don't remember a time when I wasn't doing something with gardens. The program really gave me that structure to become a professional in something that I absolutely love doing. So I've been gardening for about 15 years, and it was difficult to commit to a program because I thought that I knew everything that I needed to know in gardening. But joining the program, every single class, every step that's taken on the guided path of the program, it taught me so much. I was honestly surprised about the information that you can acquire with the professors, the books that are recommended, and also as a community. In the landscape industry, being able to create documents related to a garden, the status of plants, trees, their health, the health of the soils, it gives me authority to be able to competitively talk to the clients and be able to help them in that way. The next step, I'm already doing amazing jobs, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10-acre properties. So it's on horticulture, I'm doing what I want to do. The next step is the landscape architecture program at UCLA Extension. In the future, it's gonna be me, rock and roll's landscape architecture.